Yeah, that's good, man, because right now it's just like a freaking eyesore. If you're new here, I'm Kayode. I'll talk about things going on in Lewisham and how we can improve as a borough. If you haven't got time to watch this video right now, however, just click here to give it a save to come back and watch it later. And make sure you follow me to see more stuff come out of Lewisham. And if you don't know already, yes, that's right, I'm officially running for the mayor of Lewisham. So if you haven't seen it, go watch my video pinned in my profile or go to www.kayodeforlewisham.com to find out more. So what are we talking about today? So what is the eyesore? No, I'm not talking about my hairline. I'm talking about something else. Let's talk about it. See, I went to primary school right by this pub here. Yeah, I remember when it used to be the George and Dragon, and it's been closed for almost 10 years. Now, I always think it's a damn shame when you get certified buildings, like buildings which can be used for something worthwhile, just being left vacant. You know, we already know the drama about the Lady Or Play Tower. I knew it as the gymnastics growing up. Before that, well, years before that, was a freaking public bath. When you got these buildings just left vacant, left run down, obviously it doesn't look anything like that now. It's freaking graffitied up. Obviously you got flyers and stuff. It just looks like an eyesore. It's not something that's good to the borough. So yeah, so it's been officially confirmed that it's now going to be potentially turned into a 10-room HMO. I mean, yeah, it was George and Dragon, then Ravensbourne Arm. It's, you know, it's going to be turning into a 10-room HMO. So what do you think about that before we get back into the article? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So here it is, a pub in Lewisham that's been the centre of a campaign to turn it into a community music venue could become a 10-room HMO if the developer is successful. So yes, it's not a given right now if they are successful, but it already has had successful planning permission. So, you know, it's very likely that it will be. Do we need necessarily another community music venue, or do you think we should have a HMO? I mean, yes, on one school of thought you can argue if it's a community music venue that's providing more of the wider community something, because a 10-room HMO is essentially just 10 people, or, you know, 10 individuals, 10 families, you know? I mean, not unless they've got big families. But anyway, the pub will be turned into co-living space with ensuite, shared kitchen and co-worker space in the basement according to planning documents. Yeah, so what are we thinking so far? 2 years ago, Lewisham Council threw out plans to turn the ground floor of the Ravensbourne Arms into 4 flats, saying there's no authoritative evidence the pub could not be reopened, and citing Sister Midnight campaign as evidence. Yeah, so if you know about the Sister Midnight campaign, yeah, they do good stuff, to be fair. I do rate what they do still. But yeah, have a look at Sister Midnight campaign, have a look at that a bit further. But now Eastfield Investments has agreed to buy the ground floor basement for basically $750,000. So yes, it's very, very likely that's going to be turned into flats. So I think anything right now is better than it just being an eyesore. In fact, that's what it usually looks like now. I just got freaking posters and whatnot, you know. Maybe I should put my campaign poster on there. But anyway, so let me know your thoughts about this. Like, do you think it's a good idea to turn it into a HMO? Should it be a community music venue? If you don't follow me already, you'll probably never ever see me again. And if you do, congratulations, you can see more content like this coming out of Lewisham. And if you don't know already, yes, I'm throwing a mayoral and my birthday launch party. You'll again see that in my pinned videos. I might put it at the end of this video as well. And as always, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.
Somebody in here, it's your birthday. Somebody in here, it's your birthday. Somebody